Beauties, welcome back to another video on my channel. So for today's video, I don't know what I got inspired by, but I felt like I needed to do some got milk nails. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I post, and also follow me on Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. I post. That's all I want to say. I post, so do go and follow me on there, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe, yes, I see you. Subscribe, tap the bell right beside it so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week, and I don't have a designated time to be posting. So ensure that you turn on your post notification. And also, if I feel wonderful in my spirit, I may post probably 4 times or 3 times per week. But so anyways, I'll be going in with polygel Stone Beauty Apricot, favorite. So I'll be squeezing a small amount onto the nail, and then I'll try to blend it in with my natural nails to let it fall very seamlessly on the nail. So after each nail, I'll cure them, because you know that with polygel or gel, gravity takes effect, it will start moving. So I went in and cure each nail for 10 seconds just to flash cure it, and then I went in under the lamp for another 60 seconds just to ensure that the nails were properly dried. And then I went in with my emery board from 360 Beauty, which is a balm.com emery board, and I love it. It gives you pristine lines. I've mentioned it in my French video nail that I did recently. I will put it in the icon so you guys can go and check it out. Gives us pristine finish with your what do you call it now? Is your free edge? No, it gives you pristine lines. But anyways, so after that is done, I'm using my emery board, get whatever I want. I'll then go in with this black here. This black is the quality of this black acrylic is good. It's pigmented, judging by the liquid. When we get further down into the video, you guys realize that the liquid started to become black. So yeah, but this product was packed. So when a product is packed, it does not move fairly well. It doesn't move good. It doesn't move well. So you will see me taking out a lot of acrylic on the brush, but it's yes, you will see me taking up a lot of product on the brush, but it's not moving necessarily. It moves to a certain point, but it doesn't move down to the entire tip of the nail or on the sculptured form. But I really didn't have any problem with that. But the product was really, really, really good. This is I don't know, this is a unmade product. I'm assuming it's black. Let's call it black. A local person created this, I presume. I don't know. Yeah, presume that's that. So I'm going in with the black on each nail. Nothing fancy about this part. This is just the ugly stage of creating these nails. So if you guys are interested in these type of videos, remember, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and I'm not sure, there's not a time where I will post. So ensure that your bell is tapped and you will get notified each and every time I upload. These are how the nails are looking after the ugly stage, and you remove the sculpted form. Now it's time for filing. So I want to give a shout out to the few subscribers that I've seen subscribe to my channel. I really want to say thank you guys so very much. Really appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so very much. And I am going in with white from a local brand here in Jamaica. I think it's On Instagram they're called Nailed It JA. They have all the nail stuff that I use in my videos. If you guys want to check them out, I'll put them in the description. And I also have a line of nail polishes. I think it's So Jelly or So Glossy, or one of them. So Jelly, So Glossy, one of the two. So now I'll go in with the art brush and make some spots on the nail representing the cow spots. And then for the middle finger and the ring finger, I went in with Got Milk. I was so excited about this part. Got me some milk. But anyways, I was kind of, iffing and butting like, aren't cows like white and black and not black and white? I was like thinking like, girl, what is you doing? What do you mean? I was like, okay, alright. Nobody will prosecute me for this. I'll just go in and act as if like cows can be black and white too. It doesn't necessarily mean it has to be black and white and black. But then I thought about it and I was like, there's cows that are brown. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? But I guess it's a norm that a cow is usually white and black and not black and white. Yeah. But anyways, don't want to complicate anything, so I went in, got milk. My penmanship is not so great at this point. On the whole, my penmanship is not that great. So I, went in again and outlined it. After each art, I went in and cured, and I'll do this, so again. So now I'll be taking my top coat, going over the nails, the entire nails on each finger, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. I had mixed feeling about leaving it gloss, but then I was like, nah, it's not working out for me, so I decided to go in and match the nails. If you guys don't know how to match your nails, I have a video on my channel. I'll link it in the description and also in the icons. I don't guarantee you that I will list it in the description, but I definitely put it in the icons so you guys can go and check the video. Oh, very, very, very simple video. If you guys are interested in it, the link will be in the icons and also in the description. Okay, so I went over the nail with the top coat, and then I'll cure, and then I'll do the matte, the matte thing, and then I'll come and just put on some bling bling bling, and then you will see the reveal at the end. That's if you guys watch it until the end, because but anyways, guys, I don't want to talk any further because some of you guys don't like it, and I'll stop it. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and also like this video. Put a thumbs up if you like it and you found it very awesome, and also follow me at BareBeauty Service on Instagram. And thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.